don't notice me. Here we go. Alright, full course at Autobahn. Let's see what happens here. That's alright, boys, you can go. You are much faster than me. I'm just here. Oh boy, someone's bumping. That dude's going way up. God damn. Oh yeah, you got room. I forgot. Here we go. Fifth. Coming in hot, son. Alright, down two. And this one's kind of like the setup for the really tight stuff. This is where I should shine. But I'll get better at it, don't worry. It'll get better. See, not even at the apex. Get on it. Yeah, I just can't compete on the straight. Someone to my right. And this one's hard. Over here. Now we cross over. Come on, harder. There we go. On it. Oh yeah. There you go. Ready? Wheelie. Woo! Two down on hard. Into a right. You can kind of carry it a little bit more. This one's a long left. No brake, just engine brake. Lean, bro. Your tires should be warm. Keeping the lean. You're right. Alright. Long right on it. Go, go, go. Yeah, I can't compete with that, no way. Not here to race. Oh yeah, we're going that one. In, out, right, hard. On it, go. Get another one. All the way in, three. On it, down two, one, two. Oh yeah, 690, bro. That dude, he can fucking ride. Way better than me out here. We're not here to compete, right? This was a long right. Stay on it. Down the straight. Oh yeah, I'm gonna lose it. Yes. Oh, fuck me. Follow the line here. Yep, everybody starts pulling away. That's alright. Now we're starting a hot lap. Can't let off the throttle there. That's rain or debris. I think it's debris. Why is my brain thinking rain? God damn, they are much farther in front. You can not get on the brakes that hard, bro, but come on, stay on your line, be consistent. Nobody cares about speed here. Except for the people that can ride, that'll just go right around you. Damn, you're still talking? Back on the throttle. There we go. Now you're starting to get it. Alright, this one. Cut in late. There you go. Come on, hard. Over. Got it. Keep going hard out. Here we go. Oh, how do you fall still to a quick shift? Oh, it's windy. We're out here. 2, 3. On the brakes hard. Into the right. Ready. Hard over the left. Woo! That one I hopped a little bit. Oh, there's the hill. Ready. Woo! 1, 2. Into it hard. Carrying speed. A little bit of brakes on this one because you're coming in pretty hot, and I love it. Keep going, dude. Remember, it's the ice cream cone on the right hand, yellow flag. Shit. I guess no more yellow flag, huh? No? Alright, that threw me off. Oh boy, we got 2 coming in. Alright. And there they go. Goodbye until tomorrow. Oh shit, at 4. On the brakes hard. Okay, one more. Why not? Oh yeah. Forgot this one's kind of I can start getting on a little bit. Ready and go. We're not gonna go down. We're gonna stay in 4th. See what happens. Oh, 4th is probably gonna be far too low. What do you think? I'm already going so fucking slow. There's probably people stacking up behind me, but there's another one. How many people we got? And how come there's no flags out here? That's what I want to know. How come there's no goddamn flags? Ooh. You know, from this angle you're not going to notice, but for me it feels like I am so damn close to scraping a knee, and I know I am nowhere close to that, but goddamn it, it feels good. Oh, I'm clicking it way late. 1, 2, back to 3rd, coming in. Wow, that was way too steep. We're going to carry this a little bit more deep into the racing line. Hard, way past that apex. You're gonna overshoot this shit. This is where you should be good. You need to work on your left-handers. All the way down the straight. In the top here. Alright, hard right-hander. Oh yeah, I definitely missed the shift there. With your right hand, bro. Now you're way the f off this bike. Woo, little chirp from the tire. Wow, you seem like professional or something. Is there another dude down? He's just hiding in the bushes over there. After lunch blues. for. Feel free, bro. Feel free. You know, these instructors, I swear, they have the greatest lines I've ever seen. And they can just come in and say, excuse me, I'm going to take this corner a little bit too tight, and then get right back on that racing line. Like it's nothing. Like it's nothing. Oh yeah, you totally f***ed this one up. Outside of the foot scraping. God damn, you think you're leaning? And then you see those dudes and you're going about 20 miles an hour. Alright, come on. All the way. Wide open. Oh, you can brake so much later. This one, but you'll be able to make it. You'll be able to make it. Oh yeah, carry that speed now on it. Outside of that boot. That was it. That was it. That was great. Okay, on the left side of the bike, put in a little bit of brakes. Totally overshot that apex, but that's alright. You got that rumbles over there. Over here, you forget that this is a car track sometimes. And then I don't know if anybody's behind me, but they're gonna have to deal. So I'm gonna come out of this shit. Stay on the right side. Lean, bitch, lean. Go. And on one. Down two. Remember, you can carry this a little bit. Yeah, you can carry it a little bit more than that. Come on. Remember, transition from brakes to throttle. There's no in between. Yeah, scrape that boot. Come on, push it. Check it, ladies and gents. you ever wonder why KTM transmissions are so crap and why I complain about mine all the time? Well, let's take it to a track and let's ride around just slamming your foot up and down and not using the clutch. That sounds real intelligent to me. That sounds like exactly what you should do to make sure that your transmission is so healthy and in such good working order that, yeah, don't complain about hard shifts or misshifts anymore. I don't want to hear it.